Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mad Gamer SK. So today I'll be showing you guys my Discord server. This is my Discord server, guys. There'll be a link down below. You guys can join, talk with me, and play with me as well. I will be active in this server. You guys can join whenever you want and play with me, guys. I know this has been a short video, so why not let's play some games also, like RHS, cause I just got the drag bike like maybe 30 minutes ago. So yeah, let's go over there and let's record. There'll be link down below. There'll be link in every single video. You guys can join there. And yeah, make sure to comment down below. How do you guys like my thingy? What they call? The memes or cutscenes, whatever you wanna say. So yeah, guys, let's continue with this video, and I'll see you guys when I'm in the game. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mad Gamer SK, back with Roblox, and it's been a long time since I played this game, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. I just bought the car, so yeah, I mean a bike, which is the drag bike. So yeah, this is Adam. He's pretty new to all this. He's a very big fan of me. He's also in the gang, which I am also a gang. He's NDYT's friend. So I don't know what is that glitch. I need to like run away. Oh, here you go. This is pretty cool. So yeah, this is very quick and accelerating like any other HS bike or car. This game driving make no sense, man. This looks very good, handles very good, and yeah, this has been a pretty cool video, like Discord link. Actually, I thought of making like Discord server when I was at 500k, but Adam, I keep saying this, and he thinks that I'm like saying about something else. So, only cause he's a big fan of me, I'm making this pretty quick, cause I want to talk to him. You know, he's a cool guy, and yeah. So. Thanks for Heap and Hitaro helping me get this server. I actually before this I used to use this for like listening to music and seeing memes, but I just made it and invited some people. So yeah. And yeah, guys, do that or I'll slap you in the face. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. I'll meet you guys in the next video, and see ya.